Salam everybody, this is Investor Shake back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is Agora, ticker symbol API. Stock price is at $46.27. So this is going to be another tech stock that is also a growth stock. So some key stats are, it has a $5.3 billion market cap, no dividend, and it has a 52-week low of 33.60 and a high of 114.97. So it is quite the range that we're seeing. So what this company is Agora provides real-time engagement platform as a service in China, the US, and internationally. Its real-time engagement platform as a service, or RTE-PaaS, offers developers with software tools to embed real-time video, voice, and messaging functionalities into applications. The company's enterprise-grade products include real-time video, voice, live interactive video and audio streaming, real-time messaging, recording, streaming, acceleration, Agora Analytics, and various use case products that serve as building blocks for developers to embed the respective functions in applications. Its real-time engagement products are delivered through its software-defined real-time network, which is a virtual network overlay on top of the public internet. The company offers its solutions in the areas of social, education, entertainment, gaming, e-commerce, financial services, and healthcare, as well as provides customer service. Agora Inc. was founded in 2013 and headquartered in Shanghai, China. So, Agora is a sandbox that provides tools for the app developers to create apps in various avenues. It could be entertainment, gaming, customer service, etc. So Agora is providing the tools for developers to create apps from. And that is very useful because with what they're providing, they can help spawn a lot of apps in the future, and this can be a very useful platform for an app developer. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into the software. That will be something for you to take a look at if you're really interested in that. But this company definitely has potential. So let's take a look at the website. So the real thing is their real-time engagement. That's the key word right here. People engage longer when they see, hear, and interact with each other. With Agora, you can embed vivid voice and video in any application, on any device, anywhere. So yeah, this is their website. The ability to have a video call, voice call, audio streaming. So yes, this is pretty much what they have to offer. And their apps can be used in many fields such as education, gaming, retail, social, telehealth, workforce, and so much more. So this has a large reach, and it really depends on what the developers want to create. So it's all up to the developers. So let's take a diver deep into what makes this company Sharia compliant. And as you see here, in the business activity, 99% of its revenue is compliant. And that consists mainly of real-time engagement service revenues. And the non-compliant revenue is at a pretty negligible level. And then looking at the financials, it has no interest-bearing debt, and 18% of its market cap consists of interest-bearing securities, so it's at a pretty healthy level right now. So there's no concerns that I have in regards to its compliance status. This looks good in my eyes. Let's take a look at the financials. So as you see, this company has a $4.59 billion market cap. Now that's a bit different from what they said on Zoya. Zoya said it was a 5.3, but I guess due to the downtrend, it has caused a decrease in the valuation for the short term. So on Yahoo Finance, it says it has a $4.6 billion market cap. So let's see how the stock has performed. So due to the recent correction that we're experiencing, the stock price has fell considerably. In particular, it has fell 10% today. Now I know if you were to see a 10% dip, that might be a bit discouraging if you were already holding onto the stock. But if you're someone that has yet to open a position, this may be a good opportunity depending on how you view this company long term. So in the 1-day chart, you do see the stock dipping from $51 to $46. But let's take a look at how it has performed over the year. So the stock was in the market as early as July of 2020. And it started off as $44, so pretty close to where it is right now. And it's been in the 50s and then briefly in the 30s. But I would say it was primarily in the $40 range throughout 2020 and now. And then in February or late January, we started to see the stock price just go up considerably high as $114. And then it came crashing down to the 50s, and then the 60s, and then back down to the 40s. Most likely due to the sell-off that we're seeing in this March correction. So regardless of the short-term volatility that we're seeing, the real question you have to ask yourself is this company worth more than $4.6 billion? That's the main question that you have to ask yourself in regards to this stock. Given the tools that this stock provides to app developers, can this stock be a stock worth owning in the long term? So looking at the financials a little deeper, we notice that the revenue has been increasing year after year. There has been a big jump from 2019 to 2020, more than double the revenue from the previous year. And looking at the quarterly, it's been pretty stagnant for 2020, but nonetheless a lot better than 2019. And we're still seeing negative earnings in this stock. And analysts are saying that the stock is between a strong buy and a buy, with price targets as high as $83 and as low as $51. So judging by what these analysts are saying, this may be a good entry point, unless you're willing to wait for it to drop even lower than $46. Alright, so looking at the income statement, we know that this company is operating at a negative net income of $3 million. And then on the balance sheet, the company has $692 million in assets and $36 million in liabilities. So the assets are considerably larger than the liabilities. So that's a good thing. So you're probably wondering, why am I talking about this stock? Well, the main reason is because Agora has been a platform that has spawned a very popular app that has gotten a lot of attention over the past month, and it's called Clubhouse. So you probably wonder, what is Clubhouse? Clubhouse is an audio chat app that is only available for the iPhone at the moment. So I am on the App Store, and this is what the Clubhouse app looks like. So I can't download it because I have an Android. But you look at this, it's basically a chat room where more than two people can have a conversation and people can listen to this conversation. Kind of like somebody having a conversation on a talk show and you have an audience listening. But this reminds me more of a podcast. But let's read the description just to have a better understanding. Clubhouse is a space for casual, drop-in audio conversations with friends and other interesting people around the world. Go online anytime to chat with the people you follow, or hop in as a listener and hear what others are talking about. So really, this is an app that allows you to listen to a conversation that two or more people are having. And it really reminds me of this podcast that style that we've been seeing these past few years as podcasts are becoming a more popular thing, given the fact that there are people like Joe Rogan and Michelle Obama who have their own podcast shows on Spotify and are talking to a wide variety of people and having a very engaging conversation that can be very engaging to the listener, that allows it to actually spend 1 hour or 2 hours listening to a podcast because they're having a down-to-earth conversation, no scripts, it's just all from the brain. And just having that genuine conversation can be very interesting for someone to listen for a long period of time. And I think Clubhouse shares some of that podcast aspects into it. Now, the app Clubhouse has really gained a lot of popularity over the past month due to Elon Musk having a conversation with the CEO of Robinhood, and they were talking using Clubhouse, and a lot of people were listening to the conversation. In this article, it says here, interest in audio-based social networks reached new heights this month after Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk hosted a Clubhouse conversation with Vlad Tenev, CEO of the online trading app Robinhood. The stream, or room in Clubhouse terminology, was so popular that it quickly hit the platform's cap of 5,000 concurrent listeners. So this has been a very popular conversation, and that has really gained a lot of attention for Clubhouse, as well as Agora, which was responsible for creating Clubhouse. And it's been said that the Clubhouse app took only a week to make using the Agora platform. So that is something to take a look at in regards to this stock right here. Now, at the moment, I don't have a position on this company, but I am definitely keeping it on my watch list, and I suggest you do the same. This stock does have the potential to create even more better apps than Clubhouse. Just something to keep an eye on. Now, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy the stock simply because I'm talking about it. Do your own research, and if you like what you see about the stock, then consider adding this to your watch list. This is Investor Shake, checking out.